about this one I just like?
Oh, these are a lot of sprinkles. So we have sprinkles, guys. So we have sprinkles, we have circles, chocolate. Ooh, and look at this one with all colors in their hearts. See, with different colors. So we're gonna put sprinkles on our cupcake. Welcome to Schy's World! Hi, today guys, we are going to make, what we're gonna make? Cupcakes. Wow. So we have our cupcake mix. What is this? Icing.
Icing.
And this is the cupcake cups.
Cupcake cups. And this and
what is this?
Oh, sprinkle chop.
Oh.
And then bag
For the icing.
Icing.
Good job. I like your cupcake cups. What is on the cupcake cups? You want to show the guys what's there? This is blue and yellow.
And cupcakes.
Yeah, and it has a car on there. Nice. Okay, so now we have our bowl.
The bowl to put eggs.
So let's get our eggs. So wait, before we do our eggs, first, always make sure you have a grown up with you at all times.
With you all times.
Right. So on the back of the cake mix, there's a
construction.
Instruction.
Okay.
Okay, there's an instruction that tells you how to make the cake. Okay. So first, it says we should add the cake mixture. So Schy, you want to open the cake mix and then we're gonna pour it in. So let's use this one.
I want to use.
Okay, here you pour it in. So hold the box, and then. Wow.
Whoa.
That's a lot. Ooh.
Yeah, but
How many cupcakes do you think we're gonna get?
3.
3?
Yeah.
No, I think we're gonna get more than that. Oops. Okay. This is messy.
Okay, guys, let's just mix it up with our. You can put eggs.
But so we have to break the eggs first. So let's break the eggs in our bowl first.
Oh, forgot.
Wait, let's do it in this one first. How many eggs do we? Okay, but what does the instruction say? How many eggs do we need? We need.
One.
We need 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs.
Yeah. Look, let's see. It's cracking.
Yeah, so here, you're going to use this one, the fork, to crack the egg, okay? So you're going to gently crack the egg, and then you're going to open it. So open the egg, put it in here.
Whoa!
Well, ew!
Sorry.
You just taste a raw egg. Ew.
Bruh.
How does that taste?
Oh, it's great.
It tastes great. That's disgusting.
Okay.
Okay, this is our second egg.
Ooh, again, let's do that.
Yeah. Oops. Okay, let's do this one. Wow.
Okay, mix it.
So here, use the fork to mix it first. So you gotta beat the egg.
Beat the egg.
Beat the egg.
I'm beating.
You gotta beat it hard.
I'm
You gotta beat it like this.
Oh yeah, like that?
Yeah, like that. And then the second thing we need is we need oil. So we already have our oil that is measured here, 1 cup of oil, okay? And our water, 1 cup of water. So we have to, so I'll help you beat the egg. So here is your bowl with your mixture. So we're gonna put some
Oil.
water first.
What first?
Okay, so pour the water, hold it. Whoa, oh my goodness.
Just a little more.
Yeah.
Cool, this is cool. Okay, that's
Okay, yeah.
done. Okay,
Nice.
this is done.
Go keep, no, you gotta keep mixing till it's all gone. So you gotta mix, okay? Woo! You gotta keep mixing. mixing though. Good job.
I think the cupcake is gonna taste like rotten egg.
And then we're gonna put our oil in.
Ooh, oil smells good.
The oil smells good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
And
then I'm gonna put a little vanilla. It's my favorite thing to add to give the cake a little more flavor. So I'm just gonna add a little drop of vanilla.
Ooh. Those cupcakes. I love them.
I know, I love cupcakes too. What's your favorite flavor? I like chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Strawberry, vanilla? Here.
I like vanilla.
You like vanilla?
Yeah. Wait. I just want to taste.
But you gotta wait. Don't taste it yet. It's not finished. See, you gotta mix it. You gotta make sure it's all mixed together.
Okay.
So you gotta go hard, okay? So
hard.
Yes, keep
Ooh,
mixing.
hard.
Okay. So while Schy is mixing, you need a cupcake tin. Wow, that looks really good. Do you think it's finished?
No.
No? You're gonna mix it some more?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's a long time to do.
Oh look, see like a mixture.
Oh, okay.
Oh, or how about let's just spin it. See the thing is going to go on.
When you spin it, it's gonna help mix it too?
Yeah.
Okay,
See that?
cool.
See that? Wait, I'll show you now.
Okay. Can I help?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna spin it fast.
Oh.
Like this. I got superpowers. My hands are made of superpowers.
Okay. Me. Okay, let me do it too. Like, whoa.
My hands are made of speed. Okay. So okay, you wanna taste it?
Yeah. Sweet.
It's nice?
Yeah.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Tastes delicious?
Yeah. Taste it.
Okay, I'll taste it. Oh my, this is really good.
Yeah.
Yummy. Okay, so we have our cupcake tin, and we're gonna put our cupcake cups in the cupcake holder. So let's put our cupcake holders in, okay? Ready? So here, put them in. So you gotta put one at a time.
There's more.
So now that we have all our cupcake cups in our tin, let's see how many cupcakes we will get out of our cupcake mix, right? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoa, 12 cupcakes.
Just put it.
Are you gonna eat all 12 cupcakes?
Yeah.
You by yourself? Are you gonna share?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna share, you promise?
Yeah.
Okay, you promise?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's pour our cupcake mix inside.
Okay.
But wait, before we do that, I'm very curious. Do you think we could try and put some of the sparkles, the cake decorations and stuff in the cake to see what happens? Do you think that's a good idea? Do you think let's try. Let's try one cake and see what happens. So let's put it in first.
Mix it up twice.
I'll help you pour it in, okay? So let's pour it in. Whoa.
Again.
Wow. So it smells great already.
Smells interesting. I couldn't taste it with my finger. If you catch me doing that, I like.
So now that we have poured our mixture in, I'm very curious to see if we put one of these hearts inside. Let's see, let's put some. Ooh, these are a lot of hearts. So see, these are nice hearts. And there's a lot of colors. Maybe we could put different colors in each. So we have. So
pink.
what color is that one?
pink.
Right, that's a pink
Orange.
heart and an orange heart.
And then a white heart and a red heart and then a white heart. Oh,
so we have a white heart, orange and a yellow and where's the white one?
Oh, see, I got it now.
And then we have green. So we have red heart, pink heart, green
orange heart,
yellow heart, and an orange heart. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hearts. Oh, let's go. Okay, put it in this one. Okay, how about it's sinking? Do you think it's gonna melt or it's gonna stay hard? Okay, how about
it's gonna melt?
Ooh, look at this sparkles.
Okay.
Not sparkles, sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
So let's sprinkle some on top. Whatever you wanna do, let's do this one. Let's see if I can make a smiley face. Does that smiley face? And then I'm gonna put 2 hearts in for an eye. There's my eye and there's my smiley face. Does that look like a smiley face? And
yeah. The heart doesn't make a happy, sad face.
I know. And then I'm gonna put a red nose. Oops. Oh, is that a nose? No.
No.
Okay, let's see if I can make the smiley face a bigger.
Okay, I am gonna make a sad face.
You wanna make a sad face? Why you wanna make a sad face? You always make a happy face.
I just hate.
How does the sprinkle taste? Taste it. How does it taste? Interesting.
I'm just checking. It tastes sweet.
I think this one's gonna melt. The heart tastes like candy. I think I like the sprinkles. Let's put more sprinkles in. Okay, so we should let this go in the oven and it should bake for 20 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the oven and then we're gonna show you guys.
Wait. Something to put chocolate.
Okay, so are we ready to put it in the oven to bake it to see what happened? To see if our heart sink or melt? Okay, so let's put it in.
Sink.
So when we're finished, guys, we'll come back and show you our cupcakes. So while we're waiting, guys, we're tasting. Are you tasting?
Yeah.
It's hot. Don't touch, it's really hot. Our cupcakes is finished, guys. Whoa, they look super delicious. You smell it, Sky? They smell yummy. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells delicious? Yeah, it does. Okay, so let me try and take them out. Okay, do you want to put some icing on yours?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put some icing. Squeeze it. Ooh, are you making a letter?
Yeah.
F? Wow, that's a lot. Ooh, nice.
And then a lowercase f.
And a lowercase f, that's a lot of letters. Okay. Can I do a S on mine?
Yeah.
Whoa! So we're gonna do S for Sky, and I'm gonna do M for Mommy. So I'm gonna do a M. See? M for Mom. So look, show. So M for Mom, and turn this one around.
S.
And S for Sky.
And then this.
That one is a squiggly word.
Yeah,
Try the muffin to see if we Did you do a good job when you made the muffin? It smells really good. My mouth is watering.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh my god, this is really good.
Good. Great.
You like it? We did a good job. So where's the heart? I don't find the heart. I think the heart melts. All the sparkles and stuff melt inside the cake.
Yeah, it did.
I'm trying to find the heart, but there's no heart. Wow, I really like this. You like it?
Yeah.
Wow. We did a good job. You did a good job. You mixed the cake properly. High five. Good job. So we're gonna say thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Look at your face.
It's Santa Claus.
You got cake all over your face.